Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we could be friends. Today we are going to make the pineapple. It says pop-up card, but I'm pretty sure it's the pop-up card. I don't know why, but I think this card looks adorable. I think it's because you'd go to open it up and the last thing you would expect is a pineapple. It just makes me giggle. But to hunt down this project, we're going to go into cards again. That's where all these lovely cards are. And it is called the Pineapple Pop-Up Card in the actual projects. So you click on it. We've got 3 colors. You know, green, blue, yellow. You need all your normal things for making the cards. There's no pen or anything like that. Let's replace it so you can see the whole thing here with the card. So there it is there. Let's ungroup everything. And you can see that the main part of the card is 10 by 7. So your standard sheet of cardstock is going to work. Your envelope on this one will fit the standard cardstock as well. So yay for that. But I'm going to get this cut out and we will put it together. Okay, here are all the pieces cut out. Main part of the card, the leaves at the top of the pineapple. These are the 2 center pieces. 4 main pieces. These 4 are identical and they're the outside to give it that decorative feel. So take the 2 main center pieces. They've got the little top part of the pineapple on them. My pineapple is shedding. And holding on to the one with the bottom slit, take the one with the top slit and slide it on. Still holding this the same way. You take this piece with the 3 bottom slits, 2 top slits. The center slit goes in the inside slit, and you want the tab closest to you, and you can tab that outwards. Take the identical one, but without the tab, slide it on the same way. On the proper one, I'm doing it on the wrong one. Wow, you'd think I'd never put a card together before this. There we go. Now, take the 5 slits on the top with the tab, and it slides with your other tab to your left. It slides 3 center slits, line up with the 3 slits at the bottom. Might have to finagle here. All my pieces are moving. I'll get it in there. Don't worry. There we go. Okay, so when you flip it upside down, that's how your tabs go, and there's one little section between them. So flip it over, attach your last bigger piece the exact same way. There. Now we got, that's what the top looks like. Again, that's what the bottom looks like. You need your tabs like this. There it is, opening and closing. Now, on each side, you've got 3 slits. 3 slits on the bottom. They all line up. These ones they need some finagling to get on there. And they come all the way down. So make sure you've got it all the way down and they're not snagging on each other. They like to do that. I'm going to get my other 3 on and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, this is what your pineapple should look like at this point. So all 4 of your decorative pieces are on there. Don't drop it like me. The bottom should look like this. Again, if these tabs are not in the right spot, this isn't going to work. The top looks like that. So this is how the piece it attaches to gets laid out. So the high point of the slits are near the center and they go outwards, and you can move all your leaves so they're kind of going clockwise. These are the top. So you just slide them in as best you can. You can close your pineapple if you need to. So you'll want to line up your pieces. That will help line up your pineapple, and glue or tab them into place. If you want, you can make sure that it's going to open. And you can see that it does. Just redoing my tabs there, and I'm going to use glue on mine. Use whatever works best for you. I had troubles with this one tab when I was folding it, so hopefully it won't mess up the whole thing on me. Okay, so while that's drying, we'll move on to the next part, which is the main part of the card. This one's pretty easy. If I could find my score line. There it is. And they just get attached like that. So use your glue or tape, whatever floats your boat. Make sure I'm still in frame for you guys. Sticky tape, I got my finger in it. Yeah, if you've tried making this card and then you've come to watch this video, I feel for you, because it took me quite a bit to figure it out. I was losing my mind. Okay, I'm not going to worry about any glue around there, but I will add some tape. Well, that one didn't work. Let's try that again. You know, I love this tape runner, but sometimes it's just a pain in the butt. Now, hopefully, I have avoided the little cute cutouts there best I can. It's a little bit there. I'm going to get that off with tweezers. It's super easy to do. Okay, and look at that. Tape is gone. Easy as pie. Okay. So your next part is going to be attaching the pineapple. It's going to get centered. And again, how it closes is kind of how you're going to want this to line up. So mine's not perfectly straight, but that's what we're going to go with. So I'm going to use, now I'll use my tape runner. If you hear a lot of background noise, we're in my town here. It is so windy. Feels like the shingles on the house are gonna blow off. Line that up. Do that side. Then we'll come and do this side. Get the tape off my hands. Okay, now for the last tricky part. I don't know what their reasoning was to cut out double pieces, but you just line them up and do your best to slide them together. I find this was the easiest way. You almost have to like jam it in there. So it's going to open and close. You want to make sure that the open and close is what's going to slide onto our lovely pineapple. There. Make sure that's going to close. Perfect. So here is our final reveal. I put mine up too high. But I think that looks pretty cute. The greenery showing from the top. But you open it up. I'm going to glue the greenery on because it's, to me, they always seem to want to fall off. But there is our cute pineapple. So you can see it's kind of lined up with the yellow. I'm slightly crooked, but again, it's going to be how you glue your tabs on. But I think this is adorable. Just remember, glue yours further to the bottom, and then your pineapple top won't poke through. And glue your pineapple top on. That will definitely make it better. But I think this is an awesome card. I love pineapples. I know some people don't like pineapple. You're weird. I'm sorry. I love pineapple on pizza. Yum. It's my favorite. But pineapples are one of my favorite fruits, actually. Probably not my absolute favorite, but I definitely like them. So I'll have to think of an occasion to give out this pineapple card. It'll be something fun. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.